To turn on or turn off, pause all push notification from Instagram in iPhone 14 Pro. Open Instagram settings, find Instagram in home screen, and then tap it. Next, select your account icon, and then tap more icon. Select settings, and then tap notifications. On push notifications, tap pause all, switch under green to turn on. You won't get push notifications, but you will be able to see new notifications when you open Instagram. You can select option you want, for example 1 hour, and then to turn off, tap switch under gray. Tap switch under blue to turn on, or tap switch under gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.